Prepare yourself for the ultimate home computer. The Amiga 1MB A600. With the wild, the weird and the wicked software pack of 4 fantastic titles to get you started. Go over the edge with pushover. Drive yourself to the limit with Grand Prix. Bend reality with Putty. Or create movie quality animation with Deluxe Paint 3. The Amiga 600 HD with built-in hard drive. Comes with Deluxe Paint 3. Together with Epic, Rome Myth and a language laboratory, including Trivial Pursuit. And a dictionary in English, French and German, as well as a simple-to-use, highly sophisticated word processing package, Amiga Text. And finally, Amiga CDTV, the world's most interactive home entertainment system. Futuristic. Awesome. For the family of today, Amiga, the ultimate home computers. Interact to find out more. Use the arrows to move the highlight. Use button A to select your option. Choose your option. Amiga CDTV, Amiga A600, or Amiga A600 HD. Amiga CDTV, the world's most interactive home entertainment system. A teacher, an uncompromising games opponent, a fount of knowledge, a children's coloring book, a family doctor, a window to a distant land. Amiga CDTV is, in short, whatever you want it to be. Watch it like a film. Read it like a book. Hear it as it happened. All you have to do is plug it into your television, insert your compact disc, and then dictate proceedings with a simple remote control. The Amiga CDTV can also play any standard compact disc. It plugs straight into your stereo system. There are over 100 titles to choose from, offering entertainment and education, appealing to the whole family. Young children can absorb themselves for hours with discs like Fun School, Barney Bear, or My Paint, a coloring book with over 100 pictures. For the games fanatic, there's a selection of arcade quality games, plus CDTV titles to help with homework, Shakespeare, science, languages, atlases, and history. And for adults, the chance to study family health with Dr. Wellman, the secrets of successful cooking and gardening, and the chance to sing Elvis's greatest hits or rise to the challenge of Trivial Pursuit. Whether it's entertainment or education you're looking for, you can be sure of one thing: Amiga CDTV will put you in the picture in more ways than one. Prepare yourself for the ultimate home computer.